Nige ntuge tigarite koba ikieng'encho mono ase orugongo rwa Afrika abwase amagendero ataiyo aranyare gwikiranigwa onye Oboroso Oboting'U Bw'Omorembe na oborendi tiboiyo ase egekaro giokomorekera oborendi omorembe na ayanda mange kimanyikaire buna Top Intelligence Chiefs Conference ikigenderete ensemo ya DIANI County ya Mombasa mo waziri omonene boigo mo waziri bw'amang'ana chinse chesiko Musalia Mudavadi Nuruddin Haji mo waziri bw'oborendi bw'Embe Kipchumba Murkomen na abande nigo bakwanire obuya bw'okobeka Oboroso Oboting'U Bw'Omorembe na boigo oborendi erio kyo osekyo kirairere amagendero gokorekana na boigo ase chinga kiboigo Musalia kwanire igoro ya yobwamate obuyegatie chinse cyorogongo rwa Afrika erigosira amagendero asorogongo ruiga.
Security remains among the foremost concerns for Africa as it is globally. Indeed, no nation can attain its development ambitions without a firm foundation of peace and security. And I think President Oboroso has the difference between security, peace, and development is now clearly established. We must therefore steadily build a geopolitical trajectory around one of Africa's most important pillars of progress: peace and security as the foundation of sustainable development. The economic value of peace and security outweighs many of the prevailing material economic objectives pursued by states.
From the onset, we recognize that the threats we face are increasingly complex, transnational, and evolving in nature, ranging from terrorism, transnational organized crime, to emerging technological threats. We also appreciated that these threats are not confined to our region, thereby requiring collective and coordinated responses at a broader continental level. It is this reality that has driven the steady expansion of the MCC. What began as a regional platform has progressively grown to include countries from across the African continent, as well as partner organizations and institutions from beyond this continent of ours.
This conference comes at an inflection point in the world's security landscape. This necessitates a shift in strategic insights and enhanced intelligence cooperation to proactively tackle the multidimensional, borderless, and intertwined security challenges. Currently, Africa is experiencing the biting effects of climate-induced pressure that are becoming increasingly intense and frequent, with far-reaching implications on human security. On the other hand, evolving geopolitical dynamics are intensifying the convergence of terrorist networks and organized criminal groups, which increasingly undermine state sovereignty and complicates national security.